We are quickly going to revise trig ratios as found in a right-angled triangle. So in our triangle, we have theta to indicate an angle inside the triangle. And before we find the ratios of sine, cosine, and the tangent of theta, we need to define the sides of the triangle inside the right-angle triangle. By now, you should have learned that the line opposite the right angle of the triangle is called the hypotenuse. The side of the triangle right next to theta is called the adjacent side. And the side of the triangle opposite the angle of theta is called the opposite side. So now our three trig ratios can be found using these sides of a triangle. The trig ratio of sine theta is equal to the length of the opposite side in the triangle divided by the length of the hypotenuse. So it is opposite over hypotenuse. Next, we have the trig ratio of cos theta. This is equal to the adjacent side next to the angle of theta divided by the length of the hypotenuse side. So it's adjacent over hypotenuse. And lastly, we have tan of theta. The ratio of tan theta is the length of the opposite side divided by the length of the adjacent side. So it's opposite over adjacent. And a common acronym to help us remember is SOHCAHTOA. So sine is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cosine is equals to the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. And tan is equals to the opposite divided by the adjacent.